Hello, it's Bess here. So today I am going to quickly show you how to use these character creation series cells shaded body and face textures that you can get for free on my booth. So once you download your respective numbers, I think I want 3. Okay, body and face, and I'm in the way, but it's downloaded here in the bottom left-hand corner. Let's go to VRoid now. I have my model. I have an older cartoon model here. So let's go to body. Doesn't hurt to create new, it doesn't matter. Edit texture. Add a new one. Go to downloads. Here is body. Alright, use color calibration. I like to set a darker hex code. Actually, I like to set black. So let's find a good yellow. That's a good yellow. Let's copy this hex code. Exit out. Overwrite. Go over to face. Skin, which is the third from the bottom left. I'm covering it, which is why you can't see what's going on. Let's create new. I'm just going to save whatever temporary item I have going on. Edit texture. Add the face. Use color calibration. Let's paste our code. And voila! Well, actually, let's, there we go. And voila! You now have installed my textures. Congratulations! You can get them for free on my booth. Link will be in the description down below, and I will also include this video in the description of my booth item. That way, for anyone who has downloaded it, you can get that information here. So thank you for joining. I'll see you in the next one.